Okay, so hey guys, welcome back. And this is for one, two, three, four. I think it is fourth module, no? So let's start this resource monitoring lab. And there is some ongoing issue with this lab, so I was not able to uh, make a solution for this lab. Let's see today if the issue is fixed, then we will complete it. Okay, so we are ready, and I think this lab is fixed. See, we are not getting any errors, so we can start. So let's see, there are some five, no, only four checkpoints. So let's go to task 1. We sign in first. We have to go for this compute engine. So let's go there, go to the compute engine section, and inside the compute engine, notice something like this. Yeah, okay, create a monitoring space. Monitoring, wait for the space to be provisioned. When your monitoring dashboard is open, is it ready? Okay, task 2. Okay, not about this. Let's go to monitoring, and let's see what is there. Then for task 2, create a dashboard. Okay, so let it open quickly, then we can read the next instruction. Let me clear this and unwanted things now, so we can close this one. Okay, okay, we cannot minimize this one. Okay, create a dashboard. In the left panel, click dashboard. So in the left panel, here is the dashboard, so click it, then click create dashboard and type my dashboard. So this could be the name, so copy my dashboard as a name, click this button at the top and just wait. And once we'll, okay, name your dashboard. So here is your name, so paste the name. We just copy it from this one. Now add a chart. From the chart, select line type. So this is chart library, we have to select this line 1, click this line, and then for title give your chart name. You can review before you save the section name. For title give a chart a name. Okay, type for chart name, let's copy this one. This could be our chart name. Okay, where's your chart title? Yeah, it is already here. I think we can go with this one, or we can replace that one. Okay, for CPU utilization or CPU usage in the resource metric field, click VM instance. Where is CPU utilization? Where it is? VM instance CPU utilization. So once click it, and VM instance CPU utilization, select CPU utilization or CPU usage and click apply. CPU utilization or CPU usage, where it is? CPU utilization or CPU uses. You can go with CPU utilization or CPU uses. This one, no? Select it and click apply. It is already selected there, no? Then once that is done, click add filter. So we need to add a filter. So here it is option to click edit. So we need a label. Various option and explore the various option. Okay, and the matrix explorer, we need to examine the resource. Okay, in the left one click matrix explorer. Okay, so just go with matrix explorer, leave everything as it is, nothing to do for the filter. And for the resource and matrix, select matrix, select a matrix. It says to resource and matrix, select matrix, and select a matrix, explore the various options. It says to select the matrix, but where it is? Where I can select a matrix? I'm a little bit confused here. Okay, so I think we can select anything. So let's select anything. Go to the Vim instance and go for this popular matrices and select this CPU utilization and apply it. That's it, and we can check our progress. That's it, guys. And let's create an alert and add first condition. On alerting, you should go to the alerting tab, so click it and wait. Then we have to click create a policy. Here it is, the create policy button. Then click select a matrix drop down and disable. So okay, select a matrix drop down. Is it this one? And then disable. So we need to disable this one. Disable it, and then once we disable, type VM instance in the filter by resource, VM instance, and then in the matrix name in VM instance CPU trace and user. Okay, so this is and for instance CPU utilization, click apply. That's it. So once it is done, set rolling windows to 1 minute, rolling windows to 1 minute, and then click next. Scroll down, click next, and for threshold position to above threshold, threshold to above threshold. Okay, nothing to change there, and set 20 as your threshold. Threshold value should be 20, and above threshold, yeah, and the 20 value. Okay, good. Add a second condition, click alert, add alert condition. So where it is? Should I click next or what? Will do. Add a second. Okay, so this is the next. So should I click add condition, add alert condition now? Set to threshold, add a second, click add. Okay, so just click it, and once you click that one, repeat the step of our specified for second condition policy. For example, repeat the condition for different instance and click next. In the multi condition triggering, for different instance, in multi condition triggering, select a matrix, VM instance, for VM instance, go to the instance section, go to CPU utilization, click apply, and what in multi condition triggering, rolling windows 1 minute, click next. Okay, here we have to change multi condition trigger now. In multi condition trigger, value should be 20 like this. If I click next, okay, so this is multi condition trigger. So in for trigger when all condition are met, all condition are met. Okay, so in all condition are met, click next. So select this second option, and we have to create a notification channel. So click this manage notification channel, and we'll add an email ID there. just wait, let this window just to open. Okay, so this window is ready. Now scroll down, go to this email section. This is just next to this one. Click add, type email address. So this is the email address. Copy this one, paste it there. Display name and not display name. So what should be display name? I think this could be the display name. So copy this one. You can type anything there. It doesn't have any problem. And click save. That's it. And go back to previous create routing policy tab. Okay, now if we are here and click this refresh button, then you can see this name. Select it, click OK, and enter the name. Enter a name. You can close this tab and set a routing policy name. Just paste the name, just we did there, no, but doesn't put any space there. Okay, that's it. And we have to click next button, then review the routing script and click on create policy. Okay, click it. That's it. And we can check our progress. Yeah, it's work. Okay, let's go for the task 4. Click on the group section. Where is the group section? Yeah, it is here. Click it, and then we have to create a group. Click this create button and enter a name of the group, for example VM instance. So copy this VM instance, paste it there, and in the criteria section type okay, where enter the name in the criteria section, type nginx for the value. It criteria, it is here. Paste this. It is a value in the value field below the content. Yeah, okay, just this is the value actually, and you have to click down button. That's it. And click create and click create button. So this is super easy, and we can check our progress. Let's do it quickly. Good. Now click uptime check. So where is uptime check? Yeah, just above this group tab. Click this button, create uptime check. We need a title, enter title and click next. So with the title you can type anything. I will go with this is the title mine, and I will write something like this, anything. Okay, protocol HTTP, click next. Protocol HTTP, and resource type is instance. Change it to instance option and apply to a group. It is a group. Select the group. Yeah, we have selected this group. Select it for and frequency 1 minute. Good. And click next. Response timeout. So leave other detail as default. Under alert and notification, select notification channel. Under alert notification, there is a response validation and alert notification. Click next. Under alert notification, select your notification channel from the drop down, and this one it is already selected there, I think. Yeah, this one, check it, the notification channel. Click test, and once the test is passed, we can click create button. Yeah, see this green checkbox. Now you can click create button. That's it. and it is done. Now let's check our progress. That's it. So we have completed this lab. No, so we can end this one. Click submit, end, and that's it, guys. So finally we have completed this lab after a long time. Yeah, there was some little bit issue, and this lab is super easy. Then I think I can start the next lab. There is only one lab is left now inside this course, and we have completed this lab. Now I have to learn these videos and one quiz. Then okay, so there is a lab and quiz. So let's do it quickly. Okay guys, so let's start this lab, and this is I think last lab no for this lab 4. So let's do it quickly. Okay, so I have logged in here successfully. So there is only 2 tasks, so let's do it quickly. First we have to set up the lab, and for the task 1 you have to activate the cloud cell. So let's activate it. Okay, so this will take a little bit time. We can minimize this navigation menu. Okay, so we are ready, and let's go to the task 1. First we have to activate the cloud cell, and we have activated it. Just click this icon and that's it. And once it is activated, we can run this code. So copy this code, paste it there, press enter key, that's it, and click this authorize button, and we'll run this code from this task 3. So paste it there, and done I think. Good, this is working. Now scroll down a little bit, you can take a preview. Okay, we can take your preview, but I think it will work. So let's just stop it, press Ctrl plus C, and now let's deploy an application to the app engine. First copy this code, paste it in the cloud cell, and you have to go with option. Okay, so we have to choose. So let's go with US Central one. So type 10 and press enter. That's it. And then we can browse this one. So let's wait. Type Y, press enter. Okay, so I think it is done. So this step is completed. You can run this browse code, and we can go to this URL, and you can see the message hello world. Okay, so that's good. I can check my progress, and it is done I think. Create an application. So this was the first checkpoint, and let's go for the second one. So copy this code, paste it here, and we'll run this second line code. Nothing to change there. And this for the third one, copy it and paste it there. Scroll down, redeploy all the clock step engine. So copy this code, just copy and paste it there. If we have to change anything, then we will check it. When you process the result, verify the application is broken by running the flag command. Okay, so we need to wait a little bit. So okay, so this is done, and let's run this code to see our hello. Please try in 30 seconds. Okay, so this is not working. If the cloud cell doesn't detect your browser, click the link in the. Okay, just leave this one, and let's check our progress. That's it. So that's it, guys. This is done. I can sign out, and so let me watch those videos I think I have to watch 5 to 6 videos, so let me watch those videos, then we will end this lab, and then you can start those quiz. So let's see you. Okay, so these are the answers for the quiz. Resource monitoring. So monitoring is reduce overhead, reduces the noise, streamline uses, and fixes problem faster. So this is the first answer. And for the second question, what is the funda fun, foundational process at the base of the goal site? Reliability engineering, SRE. So that is monitoring. And for the third question, what is the purpose of the cloud direct service? That is reporting on latency. Okay, so I think there is one more which is left, these videos and documentation now. So let me watch this. Okay, so finally I have completed all the modules, so let's start our fifth lab. Now that's it. So we have completed our essential Google Cloud Infrastructure core services within 3 days, I think. No, this is the third days we are working on this particular course, and finally we have completed this one. And let's me show this batch in my profile, and let's go to the batch section. Okay, so this is here, this is 13 November today, so we have almost 4 batches. So let's start the fifth one. Let's go to the path section, and here it is, cloud engineering learning path, and we completed 1 2 3 4. So today we'll start this fifth one.